everyone, it's Sarah at Realm Library, and today I've got a very special craft for us to do together in celebration of Children's Week. And the theme of Children's Week is the right of all children to choose their own friends and safely connect with others, which is a lovely idea. So today, in honour of that theme, we're doing folded paper friendship bracelets, and that's a unique piece of wearable art that you can make for your friend, or it's a fun thing that you could do together with your friends. So what we need to start with is a piece of art. Now, you might do a picture for your friend, and I've got some pictures here that I've just taken off the internet, but you might want to paint a picture for your friend, do something nice and colourful. Maybe you might like to do a photo collage like this one, or you might like to choose some paper that is the same as your friend's football team, those sort of colours like that. So what I suggest is if you do a picture or a painting, that you take a photocopy of it. Because it will be easier to fold with just the plain paper rather than the painted paper. So, and the same with your photos, you could take a photocopy of your photo collage or whatever you're doing. And it's best, we really need an A3 size piece of paper or 2 A4 pieces of paper. Okay, so here we have some of our finished bracelets, and as you can see, they look fantastic. So there you go, and a lovely gift for a friend as well. All right, what do we need? So we need our photocopy of our art, whatever you're doing, or your photo collage, or it might be pictures of things you and your friend like to do together. So we need the photocopy, so either 2 pieces of A4 paper or 1 A3 paper, and the A3 is this bigger size that I was showing you before. We need a ruler and a pen or pencil and some scissors and a paper clip, and that is it. So really easy. Hopefully you've got all of those things at home. The first thing we need to do, so if I was doing this photo collage, I would just trim that border off, so we're just using the printed piece. And then what we need to do is we need strips of paper, so this size here, we need to cut it into strips of paper that are 12 centimetres by 3 centimetres. Now an A3 piece of paper will get you about 25 of those strips, which is more than enough for one of these. You'll probably need about 18 to about 22, 23 strips of paper. So an A3 size is perfect. So once you've ruled out your strips, so 12 centimetres by 3 centimetres, you need to cut them all out. So I've done that ahead of time, and I've got my strips here. So the first thing we need to do, and I'm going to show you this with bigger strips of paper just to make it easier for you to see how I'm folding it. So I've got strips of paper here that are double that size in very bright colours, just to make it easier. So what we do with our strips of paper, so each strip of paper you need to fold in half, so bring the 2 long sides together, so fold them in half like that. And then fold them in half, bring the 2 short ends together like that. And that's the folding, really easy. So you need to do that with all of your strips of paper that you have. So I'll keep folding, so long sides together, and then bring the 2 short sides together. So there we go, we're starting to get, so I'll do one more of these, and then we'll see how we join them all together to make our bracelet. Okay, so there's our strips of paper, and now we need to join them together. Okay, now that we've folded our strips in that way, we take our first 2 strips and we're going to start putting our bracelet together. So with the open ends like that, so we're going to put 2 together like that. Can you see how I've done that? So down the bottom here we've got the open flaps like that, and we've got the fold up this here and here. So what we do, and when you're putting them inside each other, you want about the same amount above as below. So what we do now, I'm going to pop it down here. You fold these 2 flaps, so I'll show you, fold these 2 flaps up like that just to get a crease, and then we fold this top flap towards, so it's facing in the same direction as this one. Can you see that? So we folded that down there so it's facing towards the red one. Then we fold it up like that on that crease. Can you see how I've done that? So we'll look at that again. So fold it down that way and crease it, and then fold it up like that. And we do the same for the other side as well. So we fold it down like that, and then we fold it towards or facing in the same direction as the red flaps and fold it up like that. Alright, and we secure that with our paper clip. Because that's the first one, we need to secure it with the paper clip. So you've done the very first fold there in making our bracelet. Okay, so now that we've secured that first one with a paper clip, we're going to join another one of our strips. So if you get another one, so with the folded end to the top, we are going to put it through the loop that has been made there. So not on the long bit here, but the loop, we're going to pop that through there, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to keep a loop up the top here and our 2 legs, if you like, down the bottom, and we're going to do exactly the same folding. So fold them up like that and crease, and then we're going to fold it towards the folds that you've already done, so, and then up like that. And now what we're going to do is tuck this little end into the red loop there, so it holds it all together. Alright, and we're going to turn it around and do exactly the same thing on this side. So we're going to fold it. We're always going to fold it towards the bracelet that's already been made. Alright, so we're going to fold it that way and then turn it like that on that crease, and then tuck it into, and now we're going to keep going with that. So we've got another loop here. Can you see that? We've got another loop, and we're going to tuck another folded end into there, and we're going to keep going and keep folding. Okay, so I've kept going with my folding and joining until I've got enough to make a bracelet, so enough to go around your wrist. And then what we do for the very last one, we've got our tail, which was the very start, and we've got our loop, which is the last one that we folded. So what we do is we tuck our tail into that one, can you see? And then we do exactly the same thing. We fold over to make the crease, and then we fold and you'll see which way to fold, because it will get tucked into the little pocket like that, and then we do the same on the inside. And that's a little bit trickier doing it on the inside. And it all joins together. Tuck it in there, and then we can take off that paper clip. And there you go. You've got your friendship bracelet. As I said, I've made this in a double the size that we would normally do. So normally we would make it so it's nice and small and tight, and it looks fantastic, but I've just made it with bigger paper. And if you have any of the tails that come untucked, you can just use a little bit of tape to tape them together. But I know your friends and family will love receiving one of these, and it really is a lovely, unique piece of wearable art for your friends. So I hope you've enjoyed making our friendship bracelets. See you next time.